The next thing you'll want to do is download these into the QuickBooks IIF proprietary format. So in order to do that, you will need to go to the invoice records section of the site, which is over here in your left-hand navigation. So only those users who have Invoice Manager in their user profile selected will be able to do the actions that I'm going to show here. So if I click on Invoice Records, you can see that there are 3 invoices here. You can see that they're ready to download. And because they're all ready to download, I can just come over here to my selector icon and say I want to check them all. In certain cases, you might have some that that are ready to download and some that are not. So in this case, I can just go ahead and select them all. If this one, say, was not ready, I could just uncheck it. It won't download. But since it was, I'm going to leave it checked. The next thing you want to do is go up into the top of your site, and you'll see this arrow, and you'll select Export to QuickBooks. So I'm going to go ahead and select Export to QuickBooks. You'll get this layer here that asks you for a couple of things. The IIF format is pre-selected since that is the proprietary QuickBooks file format. If you use customer job in QuickBooks, you can also select include the project name with the company name, and that will give you the customer job selection for your invoice and your QuickBooks tracking. And the next thing you'll want to do is just click Export to QuickBooks. And you'll see that the IIF file downloaded to your download folder probably. When you take a look at the IIF file, which can be opened in Excel, you'll see that that the data in here is in basically the format that you would need it to be in for QuickBooks to read it in its own proprietary format. When you import this file into QuickBooks, it will come in and create the invoices for the appropriate customers and the appropriate item types based on the